Hiya, it's me, Natalie or Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you're new, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, everything to do with nails. And today is a haul which I've been waiting ages for. So I'll just put that to one side. So it's Vettsy. And this is my first time using Vettsy. I've opened the package. The box is lovely. It comes so lovely, wrapped up all like this. It's really pretty. You know, with this pink bubble wrap. And they are on all the usual social medias, you know, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Pinterest. Yeah. So this is my very first Vettsy haul. So I'll show you what I got. Now, I got one of these magnets, but I have this one. But they do look different. So I don't know if they are different, but they do look a bit different. So I might put this in the giveaway and keep this one. I got that. And then I ordered this magnet, which is slightly bigger than the one I already have again. This one's a bit smaller, but that's quite big. So I got that. And then I got some freebies, which was very nice. I got this, which is called Say Yes. And it's like, well, you can see the colour there. It's like a caramel or caramel colour. It's very pretty. So that was free. It says free gift. And also these are beautiful. These little charms, absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to get some more stuff from Vettsy. Really nice. Yeah, I didn't expect any freebies like this, but anyway, so there. Look at that. Lovely. They're gorgeous. That's like a little sweetie. Really pretty, them. Really, really pretty. I got them. But, which is very nice. It's not a huge order, this. But, yeah, I'll show you what. So I got this, which is called, it's a cat eye, and it's called Tequila Sunrise. The only thing I wish is I wish I'd have got the top and base coat, but I didn't. So I'm going to use that. And I don't have another colour apart from that one. So I'm going to use this purple from Madam Glam to put the cat eye on. But the main thing is this. These are these new raindrops. This is step 1. Step 2. Never done it before. So we'll go with it. Not sure how it works. But I'm pretty sure... Well, we'll just go with it. So, I've got a nail tip ready here. I should have really put the purple on, but I forgot, to be honest, because I was just so excited about doing this video. So I'm just going to... Do you know what? I've never used this purple from Madam Glam, because I have another one. Yeah, it was the Korean one, I think. I think I've used that. Anyway, this purple as well from Madam Glam is a bit jelly, so... I quite like the idea of that, because what that'll do, you'll be able to see, getting it all over the glove, what's going on? You'll be able to see more of the cat eye rather than the gel polish, because that's what we really want to see. We want to see the cat eye, don't we? That was one of my cats then. I want to try that, and then we'll try 1 and 2 of this. But like I say, I've never really used this before, so I don't know how it works. But yeah, and like I say, I'll definitely be getting from Vettsy again. Yeah, I mean they're cute bottles, them, aren't they? Really nice bottles. Got dirty already. Oh, just so that's it. Yeah. Oh, you get this booklet as well, which I think I said in my vinyls one. I like the booklets because they can give you little tips and things. You know, they tell you about all the hemorrhage and the vegan and cruelty. Yeah. So yeah, I'll definitely be getting some more Vetsy's. Took a while to get here, but you know, probably it's worth the wait, I think. But we'll see. I'm not too fussed if it's a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Patchy. Well, we'll see if I have to give it a second coat of that purple. I'm hoping not. with a bit of luck. I think I might just get away with that. We'll see. I've just got to wait. I'm too excited. Calm down, Natalie. So I'll get some of this out. Because I know it's going to be quite sheer, this, but I want... Yeah, that'll be alright with that one coat. But I want to see the cat's eye effect. Now, this was the colour when I saw... Ooh! When I saw the effects of that, when I saw it, that was the colour. I'll try this magnet. Actually, I'll just leave it in the bag. No, I need to get it out. Don't be silly. Oh, it's a big magnet, this. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Oh, oh, that is nice. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, like that. Look at that. That shift is gorgeous. Right, we'll pop that in. Now, like I say, I've not done... Definitely getting more of these. Definitely get more of these. Love these. They're 10mm, I think. And I think they are... I should have had my price list. Not my price list. I should have had my receipt bill thing. Yeah. Are they $8.99, these? I think they might be $8.99, $9.99, something like that. Yeah, I think altogether for those three and that, with the 2 magnets, it was around £30, but that's with postage as well to the UK. So, but the shipping is expensive, isn't it? Would have been a lot cheaper. Anyway, so this is the 3D Raindrop Gel 1. So I'm just assuming you apply this. Do I cure it? Oh, I'll have to, I suppose. Well, no, I'll have to cure it. What does it say on there? I'm gonna take a gamble and say yes, you have to cure it. So, yeah, that's no stickiness on that now. So we'll pop this on. Otherwise, how else does it work? Oh, it is like a, well, it says gel on, doesn't it? I'll pop it on. Now, I'm assuming you have to cure this. But I hope I'm doing this right, because I really don't know how the person did it. I'll pop, that's one. Now, I don't even know if you cure it at this point. Do I cure it? Well, do you know what? Let's cure it. We'll cure it for 30 seconds. I just don't know. Because I've just seen it, but I don't know how it works. Right. This is step 2. I don't even know if it's supposed to say wet and then you put this on top. I've no idea. Well, we'll find out now, won't we? And if I've done it wrong, then I will try not curing it. I think you're not supposed to cure it, you know. Don't know why. Something's saying don't cure it. Yeah, that's not worked. Oh, it has. It's working. Look at that. Oh, ain't that brilliant? I love it. I love this. This is excellent. Let's just put a bit more at top up here. Love it. Look at that. Do you know what? I'll do it. Oh, look at that. Oh, I hope you can see what I'm seeing. Isn't that beautiful? I just love the effects of that. It's ace. Let me just put a bit more at top so I can just try a little bit. I don't want to waste it, you see. I don't want to... Oh, I love it. I'm trying to like do like a wave effect. You know, like, not wave, that's wrong, but you know, like a... Oh, look at that. Look at it. I love it. So yeah, you cure that first one. I cured it for 30. And then I put step 2 on. And that's what I got. Look at that over the cat eye. Should we try... let's just pop that in. I wonder what happens if I pop it. Oh yeah, they proper. Oh, yeah, I love that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get... we'll try black tape, shall we? Let's try it over black. Yeah, because I think you might see it more over black. Let's give black a go. I'm getting excited. I'm like a child, aren't I? Grow up, Natalie. Calm down. Right, so let's just pop that there. Still got a sticky bit on, so that'll be alright. Now, like I say, I don't have a lot of Vetsy's colours, except that one. I'll just try a black. Is this black or is this the other one? No, this is black. As I say, I want it quite a thin colour. Has it been hot where you guys have been? It's so hot here. Well, hot for people in the UK. It was like 85 yesterday. Ooh, it's still hot today, but my gels are working great. So I'm not going to complain. So look at that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's really cool. I love it. Yeah, it's dry. So, that's that one. Let's try a black. Don't want a cat. I like the fact that the cat eye as well. I do like the cat eye effect over the top. But, do we try the purple? Yeah, let's go for it. Let's go for it over the black, because I think you might see it a bit more over this black, this effect. What? Stop putting them in boxes, leave them out. So you cure the first one. Well, I did for 30 seconds for this effect. I mean, you could well, do you want to though? I wouldn't want to go over that because you won't see it, would you? Or would you? Don't know, I'll have to look into that. That's another step. So let's do I want to take that sticky layer off? Yeah. Let's try the cat eye on this one. Oh, I'm dead excited about this. I've waited ages for this, but this is what I thought our nails were doing, but no, it was something different. But I'm not too fussed. Let's try the cat eye. Oh, this cat eye is gorgeous from Vettsy. Has anybody tried Vettsy before? Has anybody had a try? Have you got any? Have you tried any of these? Oh, look at it. You can see it now. Look at that. This will be perfect for Halloween, wouldn't it? Or a what's it set? What do they call it? Punk set. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Steampunk. That's the word I'm looking for. I was going to. Let's just try this because I've not used this. I just want to see what this does. What's it do? Oh, I see. Oh, aye, that's good, isn't it? Hey, look at that. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Can you see? I'll just put it on it. I'll just... Oh, I like that. I don't know. By the way, when I put this in then, this cat eye to cure, it cured straight away. Look at this. Watch this. So hold it there. Look at that. Look at it. That's good, that, isn't it? With the shift, I mean. Look at that. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. I've no doubt that'll be exactly the same. Jolly good. Let's look at that one. Just love it. I love the effect of that. Beautiful. I know I'm going on about it, but because I've not... Look at me, look at those sweatmen. That's how hot it is outside. It's because I've not seen anything like this before. So, yeah. And like I said, the first one I did 30. The second one, you just let it do its thing. I wonder if I'll let it cure for even less. No, I'll do it for 30 again. But I love this raindrop thing. Yeah. And like I said, they're not over the... They just take a bit of time to get here in the UK. So, you know, I don't know if ladies in America will probably get it quicker. Are they in America, Vettsy? I think they are, aren't they? Or are they in China? I'm not sure. Like I say, it's my first time using Vettsy. I've never used them before. Right, let's go for it over this black. I think you're going to really see it now. It's clever this though, isn't it? Really clever. I mean, I haven't seen anything like this before. Has anybody else? I keep saying that, don't I? I'm just a bit excited. Sorry. Forgive me for keep repeating myself. I apologise. Yeah, admittedly, it's like two things you have to buy. I get that. You know. But it's pretty cool, this. Gosh. Can you see on the bottom wall? Yeah. I love this. Absolutely love it. But it's Raindrop Gel 1 and Step 1 and Raindrop Gel Step 2. I got the cat eye because that's the one I seen it on. And I also got that on the other one. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. Really impressed. Right, here we go. Let's see what it's going to be like on this. When I first did it before, when I first put it on, I thought it's not doing anything, this. Ooh, it's dead chuffed. I'll put plenty on. Right, let it go. Oh, look at it. Oh, gosh, that is superb. I love it. Absolutely love it. Simple minds. Do you know as well, I suppose you could do like, you could do patterns and all sorts, couldn't you, with this? Oh, I love the little book. I mean, admittedly, you're going to get different patterns and things. So, yeah, there is that aspect of it. But leave it for a few seconds and it'll just do its thing. Oh, I'm so impressed with that. I really am. I wonder what would happen if I turned it upside down. I don't know. Oh, I love it. I suppose you could turn it up. Can you see now that cat eye has now gone a bit more blue? But I love this stuff. I've seen it all over Facebook and I thought, I've got to get that. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm just overexcited. I do apologise. But yeah, look at it, it says. Let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and join the Glam Slam fam. Hope everybody's doing well. But yeah, that's my Vettsy Raindrop Gel. There might be a bit too much on that side there. I can see it. You see, it's just a little bit. You can always, like, you know, go down the side of the nail if there's too much on. Anyway, I shouldn't have done that because that's wasting it. But yes, I'm very, very, very pleased. Hope you come back again, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.